It's like I wore foundation. Let me just finish.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eki. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're an OG, thank you so much for tuning in. Today is day 2 of our review series. In case you've not seen our previous video, I'll be leaving a card somewhere here towards the end of this video because I want you to finish this one. Okay, so today I'll be reviewing 2 products on here, and if it sounds like something you want to watch, then keep on watching while we go right into this video.
So guys, I'll be reviewing these 2 products today. This is from Nubanbeauty, their mineral finishing powder, and I'm going to be reviewing this moisture balm. First off, I'm going to be talking about this moisture balm from metic. I just finished using the moisture portion. I don't know the difference between the moisture portion and the moisture balm, so that's the reason why I want to do this today. Let's just open up and see what is here. Okay, so this is how the moisture balm looks like. So it comes exactly the same size with the moisture portion. I think I should bring the moisture portion tube for you guys to see. This is the tube for the moisture portion. This is the moisture balm. I don't know the reason why they brought in another one, but let's see if there is any difference between the moisture balm and the moisture portion. So the moisture balm, this balm, lightweight, extra hydrating, non-greasy, non-comedogenic formula, doubles as a makeup primer. It deeply moisturizes the skin, diminishing dryness and the appearance of fine lines, leaving the skin looking healthy and radiant all day. So while the moisture portion, this lightweight, non-greasy, non-comedogenic formula with hyaluronic acid doubles as a primer. It deeply nourishes and repairs the skin, improves the skin's ability to lock water, moisturize, rejuvenate, and make the skin delicate and tender. The moisture portion says is nourishing hyaluronic acid moisturizer, while the moisture balm is intense hydrating moisturizer. But we are going to try this today and see the difference. Yeah, they didn't write the composition on the moisture portion, but they did on the moisture balm. And then the usage is the same. This one they did not include body, but these they include body, meaning you can use this on your skin, and I think this one is just for the face. Let's see how this works. So I think this is more thicker. This one looks more like a cream, and this one looks also like a cream but is a little light than this. That is what is looking like here. I don't know if you are seeing the same thing. I'm quickly going to cleanse my face tone and I'll come back. I'm cleansing and I'm going to be moisturizing using the moisture balm. Immediately you're rubbing it in, it's smoothing your skin. I also like to take it here. I'm rubbing the moisture portion to the back of my hand. See the difference? The smoothness of my skin with the moisture portion and the smoothness with the moisture balm is like they are slightly different. This one is like I have a smoothing primer on my skin. I love the way it feels. Next up is the mineral finishing powder from Nubanbeauty. This powder comes in 10 shades, 01 to 10. My shade is in 04, Lagos. So this is how it looks like. This is how it comes in. It comes in with this small powder puff. I love this powder puff. Like, even if you don't want to buy this powder, I think this puff will make you want to buy, because it's very portable, especially if you're a makeup artist. I'm a makeup artist. You just need something, especially when you do your skin work before the brows. This is very commendable. I love this. So before I even got this product, I've been eyeing that puff. That's how bad it was. So this is how it comes in this pack, just like this, simple and sweet. On the pack it says luxury mineral face powder that provides a satin yet very natural and skin-like finish. So in case you've not known about Nubanbeauty products, they are known for skin-like finish. Even their foundations, I've used their foundations, concealers. I think I have almost every product in Nubanbeauty, and I want to bring you full face makeup using just Nubanbeauty products, but that will be when we are done with the series. Okay, it can be used as a finishing powder to set foundation or touch up, can be applied using a brush or powder sponge. It has 15 grams in here. This is how it is. I love the packaging, guys. It looks so pretty, so beautiful. The shade, like the color of the comes in, I love it. There's this uniqueness in this. This is it, guys. So disclaimer, guys, when I got this powder, because I said product under $10, so you can recommend a product also that is $10, like $10 on the dot. Okay, so I got this powder for 7,000 naira. Then dollar was 710, and now the last time I checked, dollar to 1 naira is 416. It might not tally right now because of the time I got it. So, and I've already taken this one as part of the review that I was going to do, so that's why I still have to bring it on here and let you guys know. Even if it's way above your budget, I feel it's something that you can save up money to get if you will like the outcome of this.
Now that we are done with the eyes, I'm going to use this concealer from Nubanbeauty in my skin. For my under eyes is in the shade 043. I'm not going to do any foundation today. I just want to show you what this will look like without a foundation. It's also a way to do your makeup within 5 minutes. So Nubanbeauty concealer does not set on its own. I'm using products that won't set on their own until I set them. So I want to bring more light to the inner corner of my eye. That's from Ferarucci.
So guys, I'm done blending, and I'm going to use this puff. Oh my god, guys, I'm going to go into my powder, and I'll be using a powder puff to apply the powder on my skin. Guys, in case I didn't tell you, the moisture balm goes for $10 at the time I bought it yesterday. If you're in Nigeria, dollar is going back and forth, so we don't know where we're heading to with the naira. I'm just going to use my puff, press it, and take the product. Guys, are you seeing that? I'm just going to do this on one part of my face. Let's see. Are you seeing that blurring effect? My god. Guys, what are you even saying? Okay, so don't forget that I didn't use foundation on my skin, so this area I don't have foundation at all, so I'm just going to press that powder in. Let me finish. Let me just finish. This is just one trick of you doing a quick makeup. I think I need to get you closer a little. This is the finished look, guys. Look at how I'm looking. It's like I wore foundation.
Guys, there is no foundation except for the concealer I use underneath my eyes, my T-zone, and then blush and contour. So everything was liquid, and I use my face powder or the finishing mineral powder to set the whole of my face, and this is what I'm looking like right now.
If you've not used this powder before, or if you're not buying this powder, you're sleeping on a rock. I'm not sure I've used a powder this nice. The finishing, the coverage, the softness, like everything just slips and sink into my skin. This powder comes in 10 different shades, from light to dark. Whatever skin tone you are, there is a place for you to fit in. If you're looking for a powder to buy, this is one powder I'll recommend with my full chest.
I didn't use a primer for this look because the moisturizer says it can double up as a primer, so make sure you moisturize your skin deeply. That is the reason why you need the moisture balm. I used the moisturizer first before I went on to do my brows and my eyes, and when I came back, my skin was feeling deeply moisturized. That's the reason why I didn't see the need to use a primer. Make sure you moisturize your skin if you are going for this powder, because if you don't, it's going to soak up the oil, like the natural oil that is coming out from your face, and that will not leave you with a nice looking skin. It will rather dry up your skin. So make sure you moisturize your skin deeply before you use this powder. Above all, this powder is a must-have. Moisture balm is like is killing it. It's doing the job. The powder doing the job. So the two products I reviewed today are just, they are win-win for me. And so if you've been looking for a moisturizer, go get the moisture balm. If you've been looking for a powder, and even if you don't want to use a foundation, just go get the Nubanbeauty mineral finishing powder. And the way it is right now, there's no oil on my skin right now, but my skin is feeling very normal. I will let you guys know what I'm looking like with the powder before I take it off. Okay, see you guys when I'm back.
Hey guys, so I'm back. This is what's the time? I think it's almost 10 o'clock. I finished the makeup around 3:53. Yeah, now is 4, 5, almost 6 hours. Yeah, so you see how my face is looking. I'm still sitting pretty. Yeah, I'm really not having anything like oil, because I know I was a little under heat and my face is still looking like this. Guys, I must say that this powder is commendable, recommended, trust, signed, sealed, everything. Okay, so if you've been looking for powder to buy, I recommend that you buy this powder. It serves both as foundation, as a matter of fact, because it covers my dark spots. I did not put any foundation on this skin today. It's just powder. The only thing I did was to use concealer underneath my eyes, then I put my blush, and I just did my contour, and everything was liquid. So I used the mineral finishing powder to set the whole of my face. and this is what I'm looking like after 5 hours to 6 hours, and I'm looking like this. I had like a little busy hours and my face is still looking like this. So guys, I must say this powder is a must-have.
So thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe right here and ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new updates. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.